Hey guys, I'm in the living room right now, and with a little friend. Probably, who's that? It's well, it's not mine. But look. It's a little birdie. Yep. And it's not really my bird, but it's like my teachers. He's letting me hold on to it for spring break, and I've taught him a lot of things. Hold on. Like this. Calm down. Calm down. Blue. Don't let it open, alright? Go ahead. Go fly. Blue. Come here. Like this, see? He's such a good little birdie. Okay, let's put you back in. He's well behaved. Yeah. Wanted to show you the bird I'm gonna be keeping. I have a feeling he's about to fly away again. What are you doing? Why are you in there? Stop it. Well, yeah. So I wanted to show you guys and just rock it. So I hope you guys enjoy and hope you like the bird. Cause he's gonna be my problem for a while. He's a little naughty, but he's awesome. And he let me pet him. He bit me once, but okay, it's fine. So yeah.